There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! What is up, Tank Crew? So this week it's kind of a special thing because I didn't realize that I have a video ready to go, but I didn't post it. So this happened, I'm gonna say, during October and December. So there's a couple of videos there that's been all over the place, and I had it ready, but I don't know why I didn't post it. But I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So remember, check out the Bulldog Bass Combo Pack from upperdeckfishing.com. Remember, if you use Bulldog 10 off, you get 10 off. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Those times it was fun. I think there was cold. It was a mess. It was kind of hard to fish. But hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! There we go. Boom. My first one. Thank you, guys. Woo-hoo! The first one with a jig. It looks nice. Nice pounder. Nice fighter. Woo! Wow. Well, fall has been hard, but we got one. Okay. It's probably gonna be a small one. I'm gonna say it's probably like a pound. Huh? Yes. Yes. So it's about 92. Oh. 92. Very nice. About a pound. It's a small one, but it's a small one, but it's been a while since I caught one, so that's one. Watch it, because I'm recording. Oh, sorry. And here we go. Woo! Woo! Well, it's been actually pretty hard to fish, but we're back at it, and we did it with a jig. Nice. Well, my fall fishing hasn't been great, but I'm getting better at getting these videos. fish. Get that tongue. That tongue is the drug. The tongue is the drug. I wonder if I would ever catch another bass. Are you serious? Ooh. Wow. Wow, guys. I have a bass that I caught with corn. Ah, crap. What the heck? What? What? What the heck? What in the world? What is this? I caught... So they eat corn here? Look at this, guys. So my fall fishing has been very crappy lately, but I've been catching random bass with random stuff. I mean, this is a decent size, probably like a 1.5. Let's see. What the heck? One. 105, literally. Well, is that? This is so cool. This is so cool, guys. I love it. I see. Yes, look at that. Look at that color. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. Beautiful. Yeah. Wow, with corn. I don't even know everything that I thought I knew is gone down the, and it was just there hanging. I just decided to, I don't even know anymore. Fall, what are you doing to me? This is crazy. This is crazy. How long had it been there? God knows. I don't know, man. That's just crazy. Crazy. Corn is the second one. Maybe it's vegetarian or something. I don't know, man. Can fish be vegetarian? Well, technically not fish. In this case, it will be bass. That's. I wasn't even recording for this because I was like, oh, this is just for fun. Well, guess what? And that just for fun, that's what you grab a bass. With the weight all the way to the bottom. What the heck, man? Well, guys, if this is where I end, guys, it's like everything I know goes down the thing. I literally bought a freaking swim bait that looks like a bluegill that hasn't even gotten a bite. I think I got a bite actually. But this, corn. Are they that hungry? I don't even know. I haven't even caught one with a live bait. Live bait, I haven't caught it. and I got one with corn. So guys, well, hopefully you guys liked it. It took me a little longer because fall has been really kicking my butt. But make sure to subscribe, make sure to give us a like, make sure to comment, and comment down below, what is your fall what's it called? What is your fall lure? What is your hard bait? I haven't even gotten anything with the hard, like jerks or anything like that. I got a blow up, but 2 blow ups actually, but it just didn't get it right. But I mean, I guess, well, Tank Crew, we out. Hello.
I threw some fish food.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah, if anything, it helps me more because now I have bait right here. So, you go, girls, you go.
Time we just come once in a while.
It's all good. Oh. 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 It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh. Oh, it's a carp. Woo. It's a little, well, it's a big carp actually. It's a golden carp. Whoa, they're pretty big. Ah. Hey. Ah. Ah. Well, calm down, calm down. Ah. Ah. Look at that, guys. There's a carp. It's actually a pretty big carp. Say hi, girls. Hello. Well, we got something going here. And there we go. Whoop. Ah. Look, that's another one. That's a big one right there. Hello. ¿Qué les dieron de comer? Just fish food?
Yeah, the ones that you buy at for the fish.
You guys made them go crazy. Like crazy.
Mama.
Yeah, is your mom?
See, they're just... Yeah.
Oh my gosh, man. Now I know. Look at that. Thank you. No. I'm gonna take that tip and use that because I've never seen them like that. Never. No. And the cool thing is that, well, I like bass, right? So the bass eat the little ones. So whenever you see the little ones, the big ones are gonna come in. Those are the ones that I'm searching for. And I never thought about it. I never thought about using fish food, but that's awesome.
I even go to Corpus and throw fish.
Ah, está bien. No. Oh. It might be a freaking bass. Look at this. Hey, it might be a bass. Or a carp. It's probably a carp. Or a freaking turtle. Oh. It's time. Well, thank you guys so much, Tank Crew. Thank you for all the support, for all the people that give me a view, give me a like, give me a comment. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully we can make some cooler things this upcoming spring. I have big projects coming up and I can't wait to see them, for you guys to see them, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And all I gotta say is maybe now I can go more into the lake and fish better. Maybe. It's just, we need to see how the day goes. But hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys give it a like, comment, subscribe, share it. I'm getting to meet a bunch of different people now from the fishing community here in Laredo. Hopefully I get to meet some other people. And guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Tank Crew, we out.